In this video, I will demonstrate the steps of launching SDC Verifier for Femap and new project details completion. I have already launched SDC Verifier for Femap. Now, in File section, I'm pressing New. I'm pressing this folder icon to open model file. And I'm selecting Get Started Plate Mod Fem and pressing Open. Embed application into Femap option, if enabled, allows SDC Verifier to work within Femap software as an integrated program. For now, I'm leaving it disabled as this feature deserves a separate video. Now I'm getting straight to the project details and I'm filling in the number of the project, and also its name, for example, Get Started. The description of the project can also be added. For the first run, the engineer details like name, John Smith, for example, and company's name, and the rest of the sections can be filled in. Then I'm pressing this icon so that the details are saved to the library. Pressing OK. But for future projects, pressing library icon, the saved details can be loaded. I'm pressing OK. A relevant logo can be loaded to the library as well. The same logic refers to customer details section, so I'm pressing this button, then OK, again OK. We can see that the project is being created and Femap is launching. Here I'm pressing OK. Tip of the day from Femap can either be checked or simply closed. And I'm switching to SDC Verifier newly created project. In the model tree, I'm expanding model section showing you materials, properties, fem loads, constraints, etc.